Hi friends, this is Sarvesh. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use the title command in Minecraft. So first, to use the title command, you should type /title and then @a and then title and then the text. So I want to type hello. So now it displays hello in our screen. So now to change the color of the text, we need to put the symbol. So we have to type /title and then @a so that it goes to everyone. Then put title, title. Then you have to put this symbol. To get this symbol, you have to hold down the Alt key and then using the number pad you must type 2 and then 1, which is 21, and make sure the number lock is on, and after you release Alt it should type this symbol. So now you can put 3, which will make the color like this. If you put 1, it will make the color like this. If you put 6, it will make the color like this, and after you put this you can put hello and it types hello. So this is how you use the title command, and we can also make it show in the action bar, like title title @a action bar, and then if you put the symbol and then 3 and then hi, and it shows over here. As you can see, it shows over this area. Now we can also make subtitles. So I'm going to tell how to do that. So you have to put title @a and then subtitle, and then you have to put what is the subtitle. I want it to be like Minecraft. Minecraft. So the subtitle is Minecraft, and now if we put title @a title, and then if we put your title like hello, so now it's displaying hello and Minecraft like this. So the Minecraft is the subtitle and the title. So this is use the subtitle and title. So now I'm going to tell how to reduce the time of fade and stay and etc. So you have to put title and then you have to put @a. Then you have to put the times, which is how much time we have to fade in and stay and then fade out. So I wanted to fade in for about 3 and then stay in for about 5 and fade out for about 3. Now if you put, so now you put /title @a title and whatever you want. I'm putting hello world. Now this code will make the old code work. So now if we put enter, it displays hello world for a very short time because we have reduced the time in the last command. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next video, friends. Thanks for watching the video.